Hello everybody, so today I will talk about geometry. The topic today is about vector, so now I will show you how to answer. I will put about point A, that is about SA, YA and ZA. Now we have vector AB, that should be about vector SB minus SA, and we have I in here. Later that YB minus Y8, and we have J in here. And the next one we have ZB minus ZA, and we have K in here. So we can create the system of equations. So SB minus SA equals to I. This is about number 1. So we have SB minus SA equals to number 1. YB minus YA, we have 7. And ZB minus ZA, that is about negative number 4. So we have SB, YB and ZB, that's about 7, 5 and number 1. So we can find SA, YA and ZA, so I will put this one go to the right and number we put on the left. So in this situation we have the final answer in here. So 7 minus 1, we have number 6. YA number 5 minus 7, we have negative number 2. And ZA, that's about 1 plus 4, we have number 5. And now we write the answer in here. Oh sorry, 5. This is the end. Thank you for watching.